Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bigback Bitcoin token. Ticker symbol is Bbbtc. Now this token is trending number 2 right now on Presale. Presale is about to start. Now this is a huge project backed by a business. I've never actually even seen this business badge here on Presale before, but they have literally like every badge on here. Docs badge, Seifu badge, audit, Ask Me Anything badge, KYC, business badge, all these different badges here, full collection, they're trending. And I am going to leave a link to this presale pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So if you're looking for this presale, by the time I upload this video, the presale should be starting, so you can check it out immediately. It's pinned to the top of the comment section down there. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, backed by a legitimate business. It looks like there's even a video of 5 of the people involved in the business talking about this project on the Presale page, and we're going to go over the Bigback Bitcoin token. Talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So besides the link to the presale that's pinned to the top of the comment section, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here at Bigback Bitcoin. Now, if you're not familiar with Bigback, whatever that means, that is a meme talking about, a person who would basically just with a big back. I believe it started with maybe, Charlemagne the God from the Breakfast Club. Is it Breakfast Club? Yeah, Breakfast Club maybe said it first. That's what people think, but it caught on as like a meme. And so it says the chubbiest meme in crypto, built for fun, eating all the gains, the first rogue AI agent. So they have a link to their webpage there, bigbackbitcoin.com. So they have a Telegram group you could join at Bigback Bitcoin that has 443 members, 87 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. On their webpage, they have tokenomics, vision, roadmap, white paper, all sorts of info on there. It says Bigback Bitcoin is a meme-based, community-driven token that celebrates gains, laughs, and big backs. Just kind of ridiculous. So some disclaimers at the top of the page there. And it says there's a total supply of 21 billion Bigback Bitcoins, 18 decimal places on this token. 10% of the tokens go to the liquidity reserve, 8% marketing and development, 4.8% creator, 4.8% founder, 54% public sale, 6.5% team, 12% staking rewards. So they have a roadmap here, starting with phase 1, foundation and fair launch, contract preparation, smart contract development, and testnet deployment. Built by Seifu developer, which is Revolution's ecosystem. Conduct the KYC via Presale. Conduct a smart contract audit from Block Seifu. Deploy on the Ethereum mainnet. Add lockup and vesting on Pink Lock. Obtain Pink Sale badges, and I just went through all the badges, including the business one, which you rarely ever see on there. It's kind of like on Twitter where you get a gold check mark for being a business. Host AMA sessions, doxing the team to build trust, launch social media channels, memes, content, 1,000 Telegram members. They have an Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, it says. Fair launch. Pink sale, pre-sale, liquidity locked for 3 years. Conduct U.S. legal and compliance check. Phase 2. Initial exchange and listing visibility. Apply for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings. Update token info on Etherscan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, DeFi Llama. Then we got central exchange listings, and it says big ones here like OKX, Binance US, KRAKEN. Apply for Crypto.com DEX listings and OKX DEX. $1 million market cap, 1,000 holders, community expansion. Marketing, articles, website branding, future planning, DAO governance, staking platforms, burning mechanisms, crypto and DeFi partnerships, and then a full DAO launch, transitioning to full governance, staking platform rewarding holders for passive gains, NFT collection will come out, the biggest backs in crypto NFT collection, and then we got more central exchange listings like Coinbase, merchandise launch, all sorts of cool stuff. And then it is nap time, it says. At the very bottom of their page, they have white paper, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel, TikTok, GitHub, Medium articles, Instagram, you name it, all on their webpage there. So this token here is pretty much live as I upload this video, so you can go check it out now. But first of all, if you wanted to get the pre-sale, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens, so you could use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You'd go to right through that link that's pinned to the top of the comment section, connect your wallet to the page, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Bigback Bitcoins you get for that amount. And then click purchase. Now if you missed the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, it'll go over to Uniswap, and you follow the same steps except you go into the dApps, find Uniswap. It says soft cap for this pre-sale is 4 ETH. There's no hard cap, so pre-sale is just going to continue all the way until March 8th at 0 hours UTC time. So you got a lot of time to go check out this pre-sale. Check out the link down below, pinned to the top of the comment section. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Bigback Bitcoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.